Driving heavy machinery for hours without rest is very dangerous. Some managers insist that the drivers keep at it so to meet deadlines. Using our system, we can check that the drivers do take rests and make a safer environment. So how does this work? First, the driver will collect the keys and the baton, and then when arriving at the vehicle, they can clock one of the points at the vehicle. They start the vehicle, do their work. After 2 hours, more or less, they can then stop at a rest area or just stop to take a break. When doing so, they take the baton, clock the front and the back of the vehicle, and if the rest requires you to walk, well, you can keep doing this. After your 10-minute break, clock again, and then you can start your next 2-hour driving. Obviously, in your scenario, it might not be 2 hours and 10 minutes. The driver will then keep doing this, 2 hours driving and 10 minutes break for the rest of the shift. And then when they finish their shift, come back to the ROO unit, which is usually at your control room or close to where the keys are kept. They place the baton on the ROO unit. If the light shows green after the download, that means the system found that there was clockings. If it's red, then it probably means either you took the baton off too soon or there's no clockings on the baton. Then the driver can place the keys and baton back where they came from and go home. There are several reports available. I'm going to show you one here. It's a very basic fatigue management type report. And we can see what's happening on this shaft. So we've got 10 LHDs that are being monitored here on the site. And first I'm going to show you this top section over here of the report. Each line is for one of the LHDs, one vehicle. And in this scenario, we've got more or less perfect clockings. The operators are clocking and taking rests perfectly. I will explain as we go along how an imperfect one looks like. So let's start with this first one, LHD08. First of all, this bar is for the full shift. Now, if you're printing a report for the last week, then the bar will be for the last week. So this is a very general idea of how well the operators are clocking. This first little section, which is orange, shows the time from the start of the shift till the first clocking. And then every time the clocking changes, the color will change. So in this instance, we've got 10-minute break, more or less, and a 2-hour work. 10-minute break, 2-hour work, etc. It keeps going till the end of shift. If this operator did not clock, then this whole bar would be red. Below here, we can also see a detailed listing of what's happened. So we'll see first over here is LHD1. The times all the points were clocked, and the time between. So we can see more or less 10 minutes, more or less 2 hours, 10 minutes, 2 hours, 10 minutes, 2 hours, all the way down. Then we've got LHD2, etc., going all the way down. Again, you can have any of these reports automatically sent, and we can change them slightly as per your requirements, especially if the operators clock different timings. I hope that helps. Any questions, please use our ticket system on the site, and we're here to help you.